Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jada Renee here. We are going to Costa Rica.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No.
Hi everybody, I know it's been a while and I just want to thank you all for tuning in to another video. The biggest reason why I'm going on this trip is to reconnect with myself, to re-find who I am. I'm 24, about to be 25. So this is a new era of life. I am turning the page into becoming a real adult. You know, I feel like 23, 22, anything before 25, you're an adult, but not seriously. So I'm just looking forward to going on this trip to reconnect with myself, to find out who I am, what new things that I have in mind for my life, and who is this person that Jade is gonna be from here on out. It's currently, as y'all can see, 11:28. I booked my parking to start at 2 a.m. but they already sent me a text telling me that like I can come. My parking is ready. I don't want to leave too early, but I don't care. It's really because it's raining. I didn't curl my hair. Like, this is gonna be bad. Like, my leave out is gonna get left in Houston. It's probably not gonna make it on a plane. Like, I was supposed to have braids, y'all. I was supposed to have braids. I'm gonna see you at the airport. So we made it through to TSA, and now it's like 3:37. So we're just waiting to board our flight, which is at 4:41. I was gonna get some snacks in the store, but I changed my mind. Just gonna eat the Biscoff cookies on the plane. Now I'm just gonna sit here and wait till it's time to board our plane. And then we're off to Fort Lauderdale, which is where my layover is. And then from there to San Jose.
I was on the plane with the wine. You can call me Whitley, I go to hell, man. Listen to the baddest in school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pushing a Frankie. These bitches so cranky, give them a hanky. My mommy, I'm cold.
Made it to Fort Lauderdale, and now we're about to board the plane to get to Costa Rica. It's currently 9:52. We start boarding at 9:54. Our flight is set to leave at 10:30. I'm sitting on the floor because there's not any seats, and this is my...
Be advised, there will be a delay in boarding. We are currently
The last flight from Houston to Fort Lauderdale, it was a delay getting on the plane, but we still took off at the same time. It was like a 2-hour flight. I slept for maybe an hour. I've literally been up for 24 hours, so that one little hour of sleep may have been just a little bit of something for me. I think it's adrenaline, and I'm so excited. So I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Everybody here has boho. I'm seeing too many boho knots, braids, stitching braids. And I got this freaking side part quick weave. My leave out is still in Houston. Like, I should pull up on girl.
Costa Rica once again. Apologize.
Costa Rica, here we come. I'm in the freaking jungle.
There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 You like kitchen?
Kitchen? Chicken?
Traigo a esta amiga aquí, ¿cómo están?
Bien, ¿sí?
Bien, bien. Tenía tiempo que no lo visitaba, ¿eh?
¿Sí?
Vea, ¿ella quiere algo para llevar?
Tengo pollito, carne en salsa, casado o solo la carne.
No, como casado. There is a typical plate we call casado. We eat
Casado.
rice and other things. She will show you.
Bueno, ya no tengo nada. Le decimos que es arroz, frijoles, rice, bean, salad, picadillo, chicken o beef.
I'll do chicken.
Chicken.
Yes, frutas.
Esto es picadillo.
Okay.
Rice. Y este es el pollo, chicken.
Pollo. I met with the host and he brought me some fruit. All this fruit. This is a coconut and this is a guava, but they call it guaja. And then he was able to take me to get some food, which as y'all saw, they sit right there and eat it, but it's raining. Y'all, look at this at nighttime. I don't even think like the camera is doing it. Let me lower the exposure. Like, this is what it really looks like. I'm in the fucking jungle. It's 6:54 Costa Rica time, but 7:54 Houston time. Y'all, I'm sleepy. Like, I'm running off literally 3 hours of sleep. Cause that last plane ride, I went to sleep, man. I went to sleep. Like, my allergies is kicking in. But y'all, I'm in the jungle. Y'all heard that? I'm so happy to be here. Like, I did not end up getting in the hot tub today because it just started raining, on and off. So I just got on my iPad watching YouTube video. I'm gonna end this vlog, day 1 in Costa Rica here. Really hope y'all enjoyed it, like from the flight getting here to the Airbnb tour, from the first restaurant that we ate at today, like getting the food to go. Really hope y'all enjoyed it, and like stay tuned for tomorrow, day 2. Good night from the jungle of Costa Rica.